Hi friends, look at this pretty butterfly. This is a shape sorter. It comes with 6 fun shapes in bright colors. Let's find where each shape belongs. This is a triangle. It has 3 sides and it's the color orange. Can you think of something that's triangle? Yeah, like a pizza slice. Let's find where the orange triangle goes on the butterfly. Yay, it fits perfectly. Great job. Let's see what's next. This is a circle. A circle is round with no corners, and it's color blue. Can you think of something that's circle? Yes, just like a ball. Let's see where this blue circle fits on the butterfly. Great job! We found where the circle goes. Let's see what's next. Look, another circle. This circle is purple. Let's see where this purple circle fits. Yes, it fits just like the blue one. Great job! Let's pick another shape. It's a square. A square has 4 sides, all the same length. And this square is yellow. Can you think of something that's square? Yes, just like a chocolate piece. Where do you think the yellow square goes? Let's try to match it. Yay, it fits perfectly. Great job. Let's see what's next. Look what we found. It's another square. This square is red. Let's see where this red square fits. Perfect. It fits. This is the square spot. You're doing amazing. Wow, friends. We've reached our last shape. How exciting. This is a star, just like the starfish. And it's green. Let's find where this star belongs. Yay, it fits perfectly. Yay, we did it! We matched all the shapes: triangle, square, circle, and star. Great job! Give yourselves a big clap! See you next time for more fun learning adventures. Hi parents and grown-ups! If you enjoyed today's fun, we've got more adventures waiting for you here on our channel. Join us next time for even more learning and play. See you soon!